delicious. Let's make an extra cheesy cashew sauce, vegan style. Start by rinsing your pre-soaked cashews. After soaking, the cashews should break up real easily. I soak these overnight. Now you want to assemble all your other ingredients. Cashews, lemon juice, kosher salt, garlic salt, minced onion, nutritional yeast, and plant-based milk. Toss all your ingredients into a blender. Now you want to ensure you use fresh lemon juice. Add some plant-based milk. Blend for 3 to 4 minutes. Now everything should be extra creamy. Voila! Now let's go in for a quick taste test. Super delicious! This sauce is your ideal cheese replacement and can be eaten with almost anything. Store in an airtight container and put in refrigerator. Be sure to use within 1 week. Subscribe. Yeah, man.